No.
Steady 7.
Steady.
Yeah.
I'll take that.
That's good.
Different angles. Maybe an 8.
Oh.
Basically, like,
The worst person you could do this to.
Sorry, sir.
Sophie, you're beautiful.
You've gone from a 6 to an 11.
Imagine us striking a long ball in
Yeah,
the channel. Kaylee, she's offside though.
Like a normal. Go.
Did I do it right? Wasn't bad. I know to work it. Together. Stronger.